Hey traders, this is Karan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to review the one of the most trusted prop firm in the market, which is 5% Tels. If you are looking to get funded and trade with a solid firm, then stay tuned because I will cover everything from their profit split to their funding model and my personal experience also. Let's quick check about their ratings and reviews on Trustpilot. Then we will talk about their funding program. So as you can see guys, this company have more than 13k plus positive reviews on Trustpilot with excellent rating of 4.9 stars because of their transparency work and trusted working in the market. So what makes the 5% unique in market? First, no time limit because you can take 30 days or 300 days to hit the target, no stress. Second, massive scaling. If you are profitable, then you can scale up to $4 million. Third, 100% profit split. If you are a profitable trader, then you can take up to 100% profit split. And the most important is it's beginner friendly, free retries if you fail. So now let's talk about who is the 5%ers for. It's basically for a patient trader focused on a long term growth because if you are a scalper then it's not for you. Comfortable trading manually because they don't allow EA, robot and any type of HFT. That's why. So now it's time to talk about their funding programs. They basically have three different types of funding program: hypergrowth, high stakes, bootcamp. We will discuss detailed about it. Now let's talk about their first program, which is hyper growth program. This is one step funding program in which you just have to pass one phase challenge, then you will get funded account. In this, the profit target is 10%, daily drawdown 3%, and the max drawdown is 6%. Time taken to pass is unlimited, and the leverage would be 1:30. That's amazing. So now let's talk about their second program, which is high stakes program. It's basically a two-step program in which you just have to pass only two challenges to get funded. The profit target is 8% in phase 1 and the second and the 5% in phase 2. After that you will get funded and the max loss is 5% in the both phase. So now it's time to talk about their third funding program, which is Bootcamp. It's basically a three-step program in which you just have to pass three phases to get funded, in which the profit target is for all three phases is 6% and the max loss will be 5% with 1:10 leverage and unlimited trading days for passing the challenge. It's basically amazing. The best part will be fees will be 100% refunded on all the funding programs once you get funded. So if you talk about my personal experience, it was really amazing to work with this company because its rules are very good and beginner friendly. So do subscribe guys for more content and follow me on Instagram for regular updates and payout proof. I will upload the payout proof and the account passing proof on my Instagram story. So do follow and check it out.